handy C- in women's studies.
Yeah, well, that course wasn't about what I thought it was going to be about.
Many students wind up in your class without knowing what it's going to be about. And although most faculty members are passionate about what they teach, their brains are so big that it's hard to zero in on and articulate for non-experts the ultimate point of the course. In this workshop, you're going to create your own 1 to 2 minute course trailer video to share with prospective students. A course trailer is a short, invitational, and engaging video offering a brief description of your course and its significance using images, multimedia, or special effects, like a movie trailer. You may very well already know how to make videos for your classes. The challenging part is succinctly articulating the real value of your course and doing it in an invitational, engaging way. I've been studying social change communication and engaging in social marketing strategies for a long time now. Creative multimedia communication is our future, and it's already a mode in which our students communicate on a daily basis. No matter what your discipline is or what your course is about, you and your students benefit from a very clear idea of the big reasons you're all coming together to study your topic. I'm going to give you some basic questions to answer about why you teach what you do and why you teach it the way that you do. You'll answer the 20-year question about what you hope students retain 20 years after taking your course. Once you answer these questions, you've got the bones for an amazing course trailer that will invite students on a captivating educational journey with you. We'll work together to create a video trailer that's right for you and your course. Learning Technology Services will be there to help too. So join me in the course trailer workshop this summer. It's going to be a fun, creative process. I'm Martha McCaughey, and this is my masterclass